Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this HTC. You need to begin by opening an app called Files. Then click on Continue over here and select Browse section in the middle at the bottom. After that, you need to tap on Downloads category, and as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!